Hey y'all, this tutorial is just in time for a New Year's Day set of nails. Isn't that cute? Now I'm a little stuffy because these kids done gave me whatever they picked up from school, but we gonna get started. The first thing I use is a commercial drill that I got from the store with just different drill heads, and so I'm using the prep one now. For this part, you just want to remove ever so slightly the kind of the top shiny layer of the nail. I really don't drill a whole lot on this. I just rough it up a little bit. So I make sure to get all of the fingers done that way. And then it's time to shave down my cuticle. So I take the cuticle head and just gently go around the nail bed. You'll see the dust from the cuticle flying up, but I do that to all fingers as well. And then it's time to get the alcohol pad and wipe all of the nails down, taking off all of the dust from the nail and the cuticle, and also just making sure that you've removed any dirt and debris, because one thing about nail glue, it's not going to stick on top of a whole bunch of junk. So I really do take the time to make sure my nails are really, really clean before I apply the glue and apply the nail on top of that. After I'm done with that, I go ahead and put my drill set back just to make sure I don't lose any pieces. And now it's time for the fun part. I use Luxie nail glue because it goes on like a nail polish, so it's not a kind of drip drop nail glue. It has a brush on it, and you can paint on as little or as much nail glue as you think you're going to need. I am truly excited about this set. Like I said, it's the size large, and I feel like the designs on this are just so beautiful. I'm a bling type of girl anyway, so I like anything that has bedazzles and rhinestones on them. And granted, I can't wear them for so long because I do have a daughter and she needs her hair done, so I have to strategize when I wear these sets so that they don't drag or snag her hair. So the first step is to paint the glue on. I usually put on a thin layer on my nail, a little bit thicker if I'm not gonna put glue on the underside of the nail as well. And for this particular set, these nails by Loveful are a little thicker than the nails that I usually use. So I just went ahead and put all of the glue on my finger and not underneath the nail. These nails fit a little different. They kind of have like a suction they're curved underneath, so they kind of will stick to your fingers. It's kind of a different feeling than the other brand of nail that I use, but either way, these are going on really well. I make sure to line it up with my finger before pressing on. Every now and then I'll get it incorrectly and have to lift it up and repress, but for the most part, I try to get it done right the first time. The application of this set is actually going pretty smoothly, so we'll just play a little music while I get the rest of this hand done. As y'all can tell, I am exceptionally proud of how the first hand came out. So we're going to pull the nails off for the second hand. And this is going to be interesting, right? Because I am right-handed. So I did my left hand first and it was pretty easy. So now I'm using my left hand to actually put the nail glue on my right hand and apply this set. We'll see how it goes. I usually have just a little bit of trouble doing my right hand. But so far, so good. I usually press, like I said, I usually hold for just a few seconds, maybe 10 to 15, definitely not 30 seconds to a minute like most folks say. And that seems to do the trick for me. So we will listen to a little more music while I get this hand done and see if you can spot where I have just a little bit of trouble. And now the last nail goes on. If I'm being honest, this set was a little too big for my nails, but the medium set is a little too small. So I went with the larger set this time. I'm still in love with this set. It is so me. So just to recap what I use, my Luxie nail glue here is my favorite nail glue. I also use the commercial drill that I just got. I think I got the drill from Target. Ordered the nail set from the TikTok shop. So let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. Toodles.